children, welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn about Ex-2.5. In previous video we have completed Ex-2.4. Now coming to the first bit of Ex-2.5, we have to use here suitable identities to find the following products. So in first video of chapter 2 I have said about formulas and definitions. You can check in that video. Okay, now coming to the topic of first one, x plus 4 and x plus 10. So here we have to use in this formula x plus a of x plus b. Here we have to use this formula. So coming total formula, x square plus x of a plus b plus ab. So this formula we have to use in this total bit. So coming to the first one, substituting, you think that x plus a, x plus 4, you think that these two equations are in this form. So we are writing in this form, x plus 4 of x plus 10 is equals to x square plus x of a is 4 and 10, then plus 4 into 10. So this implies x square plus x of 4 plus 10, 14, then 4 into 10, 40. So we'll get here equation as x square plus 14x plus 40. So this is the answer of first one. Okay, now coming to the second one, x plus 8 and x minus 10. So substituting in this form, we are in this form, we have to substitute. I am not writing formula for second one, directly substituting x plus 8 and x minus 10. So this is equals to implies x square plus x of a is 8. First one we have to mention that a is equals to 8 and b is equals to minus 10. So here also a is equals to 4 and a is equals to 10. So x of 8 plus 8 plus of minus 10 and plus 8 into of minus 10. So multiplying this, x square then plus x of plus into minus 80, minus 18 plus into minus 80. So these implies x square plus into minus 18x minus 80. So this is the equation of second one. Now coming to the third one, 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. So same as it is, x plus a of x plus b is equals to x square plus x of a plus b plus ab. So substituting 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. So substituting these are in this form. So completing this, x square, therefore a is equals to 4 and b is equals to minus 5. So here we'll get here as, and x is equals to 3x. So 3x square plus 3 of 4 into minus 5 plus 4 into of minus 5. So these implies 3 square is 9 plus 3 of plus into minus 5 minus 4 1 and plus into minus. So 5 4s are 20, so minus 20. So these implies 9x plus 3 minus 20. Minus 20 is the answer of third one. So coming to the fourth one, y square plus 3 by 2 and y square minus 3 by 2. Here we have not used this equation. We have to use a square minus b square formula. Why? Because they are in plus and minus. So variable is also same and constant is also same. So we have to use it as a plus a square minus b square. So y square plus 3 by 2 and y square minus 3 by 2. Here we have to use a square minus b square formula is equals to a plus b of a minus b. So these implies so these these two equations are in this form. So we have write in this form y2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. So this is the answer of fourth one. So here also we can extend it. So 2 into 2 4 and y power 4 minus 3 square is 9 by 4. So this is the answer of fourth one. Okay, now coming to the fifth one is also same. We have to use a square minus b square formula. So coming to same before like fourth one. So these implies we have to write the formula first. So in exams also we have to write first formula. Then they will not award marks. They will cut the marks. Then how you copied they have will say. So we have to write formula. A square minus b square is equals to a minus b of a plus b. So these implies these two are in this form. We have to write in this form. So 3 square minus 2x whole square. So 3x square minus 2x whole square. So these implies 3 square is 9. 9 minus 2 square is 4 minus 4x square. So this is the answer of fifth one. This will get in 1 mark or 2 mark. This is very small sum. If you like the video, write in the comment form. Please subscribe to Basic Maths Concepts. Thanks for watching this video.